Have you ever found yourself wondering, how many open tasks do I have before I can complete this project? If so, SmartSuites Count Field is going to help you out here. Hi, I'm Dan Lehman from AutomationHelpers.com, and we're a SmartSuite implementation partner. To get started with the Count Field, we need to make sure that we have a linked relationship between apps. So in this case, we have our projects and we have our tasks, and we have a link between projects and tasks. We can have multiple tasks attached to a single project. So from here, we want to go ahead and add a field. I'm going to click on this one and add it to the right, and we can just search for the count field that we have. Go ahead and select this, and we're going to call this open tasks because we want to say how many tasks that we have that are left. In this case, we can change what color. So maybe open tasks, we keep green. We could have another field for outstanding tasks and maybe tasks with a certain status of overdue. Then we're going to change that to a red color. So we can color code this depending on what's relevant. We need to choose that linked record field. So we're choosing project tasks in this case, and then we're going to add a filter. So let me turn on the filter and open this up. We're going to choose the status here, and we're going to say if the status is not complete. So we're saying any task that doesn't match the complete status, any task that's still open, those are the ones we want to count. So I'll save my filter here. And then we can also add labels. And this is helpful because by default, we're just showing a number here. And sometimes it's nice to be able to add something before or after that. So I might want to say tasks, and then that adds that label to the end of it here. So we'll have open tasks. Let's go ahead and create that field. And now we can see that this displays all of the tasks that are still open for that project. If we go over here, it's not counting this complete one because that's already been filtered out. And the part that I really like about this is that we can actually drill into this. So I can click into here and we can see which are those open tasks that we have. And we have the ability to add the fields that we want to see. So in this case, maybe I want to show the due date and have a description. So anytime I open this up, now I can see that information without even having to drill into the record, but we can also do that with a single click as well. And count fields are easy to report on as well. So we can create a chart and we can look at our open tasks and be able to have those segmented by our projects. Get started with SmartSuites Count Field to better manage your linked records.